what's up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And yeah, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and I just want to give a shout out because these two people told me. I just want to give a shout out to Mirab and Michelle. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to start to put on my foundation now. It's from CoverGirl and it's natural beige. And yeah, do you guys see that? Okay, so it has super good coverage. So I'm just gonna stand up and start doing my makeup, and I'll put some more rain. Am I too tall for this?
No, I'm too tall for this.
Can you get up?
Actually, I'm short, so I get
Oh, that has a lot. Okay, so it has a lot of good coverage to it. And I'm just gonna start applying it. And I'm putting some fast motion. So everything I have is from what I'm using is from Claire's. Like this is from Claire's, this is from Claire's, and as you can probably see, it's from Claire's. But the other things are not from Claire's. So I still have the foundation on me. Okay, so now the next step is gonna be my blush. So let's go ahead and put blush on. I have my own makeup set, but I don't really like these brushes because like nah. Okay, so as you can see, I use this a lot. Okay, do you guys want to show me? Look, this is the eye. No, wait, this is this is the eyeshadows. This is the eyeshadows. This is my blush, and this is my This is my like lightish blush. This is my pink blush, and this is my contouring. These are all my disgusting brushes I don't use. Then this is all eyeshadow. Then this is lip gloss. These two, and then this for our lipsticks. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the blush on. These brushes. I always use these brushes. I can't even open. It's awkward silence. Okay, so got it out.
She always uses them, trust me. Like always.
See, she even said it. So right now, which color should I put on? I'm just joking, guys. I just bought these. These are the ones I used to use, and I don't like them anymore. I just bought them. So, oh my gosh, guys, you're such good brushes. Okay, what color should I use?
Can I see?
Sure. Ah. Oh,
shh. Let's do an ASMR. Hey guys, today
Okay, yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
We're done. Okay, what color should I apply on?
Since you're really like
dark
skinned, you should put something dark.
I'm actually just gonna mix up the light pink and the dark pink together.
What the fudge is the dark pink? That's the peach.
No?
Oh yeah, whatever. I don't know my colors. I'm colorblind. Roses are red, violets are red, Everything's red. You're colorblind.
Okay, guys, I can't even say this is fine because this is super chalky. That's from Claire's. Yeah, zoom up on my face, you know. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? Okay, that's better. I just decided on to put the pink one on, the dark pink one, this one. So, hopefully my brush is not getting ruined. Okay, so we're done with the blush. Put this back. Okay, next step, what I do is my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my eyeshadow brush out. Oh, wait, what? They had wrappers on them? Wait, have I been exposed? Wait, okay, hold on, people.
Wait, when did they have them?
Yeah, they have brushes on them. Should I take this off? I don't like it. Okay. Okay, you go ahead and do that. I mean, actually, no, I won't do that. Okay, I'm actually, like, surprised right now, super badly. Can you not show them all my brush plans? Okay, guys, by the way, oh my god, is my sister showing her face to you guys? Look, she is putting her face.
Actually, I'm not gonna ever show my face.
No,
unless...
you said when I have 1,000 subscribers.
1,000? I meant 1,000,000, okay?
No, but you said 1,000.
I'm not showing my ugly face.
Yes, you are. I'll put makeup on you.
No. Okay, fine. I can just do a face reveal right now.
No, 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 no! No,
see
not
my
that ugly doll, please.
It's not a doll. That's how it actually look like.
No, she does
I'm
not.
just joking. I'm joking.
Okay, she does not have blonde hair, first of all. So we were just in like a stupid topic. Okay, yeah. So next I said I'm using my brush, and I'm probably gonna put a like dark, like a natural look on me. So first what I do is can you show my palette? Thank you. So like this is a shade I'm gonna put on right now, just because the eyeshadow will show a little bit much better. Okay. It makes it, yeah, it makes it like a little one. Guys, don't worry, it's not gonna show too much, so that's why I rub it in to my eyes. Okay, can you move your face out of my, okay, yeah, I'm filming to my sister. Okay, so next I'm gonna put the, like this shade on, the gold one. Actually, Mona, I didn't put that shade on. I'm actually gonna go ahead and tap this dark shade on me. Oh yeah, remember that one time where, okay, remember that one time, Sakina, when we like were doing a makeup challenge and I was like closing my eyes and I couldn't see, and you were closing your eyes and you were doing makeup on me and you drew a unibrow on me. Huh? Remember? Sakina Khan, yes you do.
Yes, I do remember.
I could hear you when you're saying to the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you move your head, please? Okay, doesn't look good yet. Good. Oh my god. Operation. My iPad just fell down and we were just back.
Don't worry, we have a screen protector on, so
That's-
nothing broke.
Yeah. Okay, so after when you're done your eyeshadow.
Just imagine if it broke and it's gonna be all my fault.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna start crying because I got that on my birthday. Okay, let's just cover that up, guys. Okay, so this is a close-up. Okay, so why am I laughing? So next step is gonna be my eyebrows. Okay, so I take this black shade. Dang it, I already got it on there. Okay. And then I take this and I start rubbing it in with my Excuse me?
I said I complimented them.
You said bushy eyebrows.
I said thick eyebrows. Oh my god.
Okay, yo. Okay. Can you quit doing that? Okay, I just don't make my eyebrows with this, people. Okay, I know I'm little for makeup, but yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna. My eyebrows are super like not too black, so I try to make them a little.
Oh wait, I don't have any here. This was a wig, by the way.
Yeah, that was.
I don't actually have it. It was this stupid dog.
Here. Stop! Quit it. Can you not like? So screaming at my sister, you're like, "Oh my God, you're a brat! You're a brat!" Yeah, don't worry. It's just a joke.
Yeah, we were trying to like be the keeping up with the Kardashian. It totally didn't hurt my feelings. I'm totally not crying. So yeah. Let's do it. It's a joke, actually.
She's laughing at the back. Okay, guys, I don't have a lip. Ew. Okay, so I don't have a lipstick brush, but I have this, so I'm gonna be using this. I might just put this like brick black shade, no, like this red shade on me. Oh wait, why am I putting this on? I have this.
I'll close this for you.
Sure. Okay, I got everything on me. Okay, let's just start putting it on my face. I meant. Oh yeah, by the way, when I'm doing this, guys, okay, we're almost done, guys. So we're just gonna head using. Holy moly, my eyes. Okay, we're almost done this video, guys. Sadly. And last but not least is makeup spray. It's primer.
That's also a primer, just saying.
I don't want to use that one because it goes in my eyes. What? Okay, so you put it in like an X.
Stop it.
It's my sister's. It's in an X motion, so let's just.
Don't inhale it, or you'll die.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so that was all for today. Please comment down below what you want my guys to do my next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday.